My name is Tim Matthijssen. I'm the head of finance at Pillsbury United Communities. So Pillsbury United Communities is a nonprofit. We're a frontline organization, mostly doing a lot of social work, but also running government contracts as well and sort of operating on behalf of the Hennepin County, the city of Minneapolis, the state of Minnesota, a lot of the social services in those communities as sort of first provider. We are spread across 4 legal entities and a numerous amount of LLCs. And so we, from an accounting perspective, we are as complex as it can get. We were running on a system that was requiring a lot of manual work each month, sort of so much information to manually enter, manually run. It was just taking a lot of FD, taking a lot of resources. And so we called on Abdo to come help us step up and do some of this FD accounting work. Came with a lot of technical knowledge and know-how on how to build a spreadsheet, workbooks that we needed. And we're running, and sort of as we are developing this relationship, Abdo one day said, you know, you probably would qualify, be a good candidate to actually switch to Sage Intacct. You're kind of the level of complexity that Sage Intacct is made for. Abdo was like, yeah, you're gonna cut by half your FTEs probably. And so we're like, okay, so we're not gonna need you anymore. And Abdo was like, that's right, I'm gonna work myself out of a job for you. And they did. And right now we just went from running 6 FTEs to 3, and we're closing twice faster. We're just giving the information to our leaders about a week and a half sooner each month. The biggest part of the story that they've delivered that. They've actually talked themselves out of a job with us after transitioning to Sage. And I think this is why we respect them so much. They've delivered. Yeah, I am sad not to work with Abdo anymore. Our finances are very happy, but I am sad.